Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is I, Simplytico. So yeah, this video is gonna be super duper quick. I'm just showing you guys how the hair looked before it looks like what it looks like now. It was so pretty. Like, look at this. Look at me. You would think, oh, I'm living my best life. Look at her. Doll face. Beautiful. Now look at the wig. Yeah. She was under the sink. But we got her together a little bit. We're going to do a quick install. I'm not going to talk a lot in this video. All the changes that I said were going to happen last video, they're going to happen soon. Soon, I think. But yeah, just sit back and relax. I'll check in one more again before the end of the video. But yeah, talk to you soon. All right, you guys, so like I said, I was gonna pop back in. This is me popping back in. Now, all the specs of this hair will be in the description box along with the direct link. As you guys see as in the title of the video, this is a Amazon unit. I love this hair. Let me tell you why I love this hair. The knots were real easy to bleach. It took the bleach real well. It was really easy to pluck this unit. It was real easy to lay this unit down. It washes like a champ. There's no smell, minimal shedding. Like, yeah, the only thing that I can say about this hair that I did not like is that it's hard to straighten. If you're looking for something bone straight, no, this is not it. Like, no. And I think it's because of the hair texture. It's a water wave. It's not a body wave. If this was body wave, we'd probably been able to have no problem. But because it's so far off, that's why this hair gave me some problems. With straighten, it got straight, but it didn't get like bone straight. Okay, so that's the only thing that I can say about this hair. Other than that, I love this. I love this. You'll see way more closures on my channel than you'll see frontals, because ain't nobody got time for the rakiaka kati out of ear to ear and all that. I ain't got time for that. But yeah, this was worth the price. It really was. I really do love this unit. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I might dye or bleach this unit in the future just to show you guys, you know, how that would turn out. I'm thinking about doing like a pink or a red skunk. We don't know. We'll figure it out. We might see that when I get bored. But yeah, I'm just fast forwarding this part. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials. I am going to be more active this time, for real, for real. Okay, and excuse my makeup. But yeah, bye. yeah, once again, you guys, I didn't film an outro, so thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.